So we can use microbit to make a number generator. Okay, so we can just go to basic here and then show number. Okay, like you show a number, and now you would like to make the number which is a random number. So we go to math, and then you will see there will be random. Okay, pick random, and then we put it here. So we got 1 to 6. Okay, so every time you turn on the microbit, you will see a number on top of it. Okay, so this is method 1. You make it. So maybe you want to press the button and then you get this. Okay, got this. So how about now if we want to use other index, okay, like we use the LED, and then for the pots like this one we got 1, and then when we have got 2, maybe want to have a 2 here like this one, and then maybe for 3 it's like this, and maybe for 4 we can have something like this, and then for 5, yeah, wait, we got a term like this one, and then for 6 maybe we want to have the pattern to be like this. Okay, so how to make this one? Okay, how to make this one? Now we may want to make a variable, and this variable could be the dice. Okay, so you follow the dice and then you set it to be a number. What is the number? You just set it here. Okay, and then you need to add. Okay, you need to add if. Okay, if. Why? Because now we want to check it. Okay, so now for this part, the logic part, you can just use the logic again and then put it inside. So here we put it here, and then we know that the variable will be die. We want to compare die. If it is equals to 1, then we just show this one here. Okay, and then we duplicate it and move it back into this part. So if it is equals to 2, then you know this is what you want to have. Okay, and then you will see that we just need to duplicate it. Okay, and then we got 3 here, then we just drag it in, or we can instead of doing it like copy and paste, maybe every time I can just change it myself. So for example, now I want to have 4, so I just change it here directly, and then if I want to have 5, okay, then I just use 5 here and then add it. Last one, duplicate it. Okay, and then now got 6, so the last one will be look like this. Then we can check our program. Okay, so this one you can just check it, we rearrange it. Okay, so we can see these 3, actually we can delete it, but anyway, we will see we pick the number from 1 to 6. Okay, so let's see, when I press A, I got 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 1. Okay, so it is randomized already. Get it? And this is how you work on task 11.